Right, hello. Today I have this inspired recreation of this eye look. It's kind of similar to the one I was getting at, trying to recreate, but the inspiration came from Charlie, who is an Instagrammer. She is amazing. I'll put the photo up by here. I will tag her in my Instagram photos when I put this look on my Instagram, so make sure to go follow my Instagram. Yeah, if you want to see how I recreated this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I've done one eye, as you can see. I'm going to do this one. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a look inspired by a beautiful Instagrammer. The look looks like this. Hopefully I do it a little bit of justice, you know. Okay, so to start off with, I'm going to take the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C0.5. Looks like this. I'm going to put this all over my lid. Taking a sponge and blending that out. And then what I'm going to do is outline under my eyebrow with my brow pomade. Okay, so I've done this look a few times now just to practice, and the first few times I did it with tape, but I'm not going to do that today. I found it way easier with just making a mess and then cleaning it up. Okay, so I'm going to be taking two palettes today. I'm going to be taking the Morphe 35O and the Morphe 35B. So these two, 35B and then the 35O. So I'm going to be taking this orange shade here from the 35O palette, and then I'm going to take the red shade and I'm going to mix them two together. I'm going to be using the Morphe M322 brush, and I'm going to pack this in my crease and then going into a like dip and then up again. Blending that out a little bit on the edges. And I'm going to take the Morphe E36, the bright yellow shade in the Morphe 35B palette. And then in the 35O palette, I'm going to take a mix of this brown shade and this brown shade. So these two. And I'm going to put that in the crease using a Morphe M507 brush, and I'm putting that much lower in the crease. Okay, so that is the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to do the cut crease. So I'm going to take that Revolution concealer and put on my hand, and I'm going to use the Real Techniques detailer brush and really pack on that concealer. Okay, so then once I've done that, I'm going to set the lid with the white in the Morphe 35B palette. So then I'm going to take a makeup wipe and like on the tip of my finger, and I'm just going to clean this up. So then after that, again, not worrying about the application at the moment. I'm going to go in again with the red and orangey shade we took first, and winging this out and bringing that all the way across, just like if you were going to do like a smoky eye, winged eye liner. Then I'm going to take the yellow shade and pack that on top. We're basically doing what we did on the top, just the opposite way. Okay, so then on an angled brush, I'm going to take the brown shades, mix them two together, and I'm going to outline the top lash line. Okay, so then I'm going to clean up again. Okay, so now I'm going to curl my eyelashes and apply mascara, but first I'm going to show you the lashes I'm going to take. So these are the Tatty lashes in the style TL6, which look like this. They are beautiful. I'm going to glue these now before I apply mascara so I can let them dry. I'm using the duo glue, and like always I'm going to take the L'Oreal Miss Baby Roll mascara. Okay, so I also forgot that I applied a little bit of highlighter to the other eye. So I'm going to take the Mary Luminizer by the Balm and put that on my brow bone. Okay, so what I'm going to do as well whilst waiting, I'm going to apply the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Punch, which is a yellow eye pencil, and I'm going to put this in the waterline. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the eyelashes. Okay, so that is the eyes done. These are the eyelashes. They are very bold. Okay, so for the face, I'm going to go in with this lip oil. This is from Barry M, and it's the Coco Loco lip oil, like the coconut flavour. So I'm going to put this on because my lips are so dry. So now I'm going to go in with primer spray. It's like a kind of primer setting spray kind of thing. Oh, that smells good. So then I'm going to go in with a bit of the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Okay, so then for foundation today, I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD Long Wear Illuminating Foundation, not primer. This is in the shade Natural. I'm going to do 2 pumps of that on the back of my hand. Okay, so this is a little bit too dark for me, but we'll make it work with the concealer and stuff. Okay, so then for concealer, I'm taking the NYX HD concealer in the shade Porcelain. Okay, so then for powder, I'm going to take the Bourjois Healthy Balance powder in the shade Vanilla 52. Looks like this. This smells really nice. Then for bronzer, I'm going to take the Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the shade 025 Sun Glow, which looks like this. Okay, so then for blusher, I'm going to take the NYX blush in Pink the Town, which looks like this. Beautiful. Okay, so then for highlighter, I'm going to go in with the Mary Luminizer by the Balm. Okay, so I'm going to quickly do my eyebrows. First, I'm going to take the yellow shade. I'm going to really smudge that yellow shade out. Okay, so then I'm going to take a little bit of this red here and go closer to the lash line. Just going to apply a little bit of mascara to my lower lashes. Okay, so that is the eyes done. Now we'll do lips. Okay, so for lips today I have two Jura Cosmetics lip products. The first one is the lip pencil in the shade Nude, which is a nude, you know. For the lipstick, I'm going to go in with the matching nude lip colour, which is called Nude. So I'm just going to set all that with the setting spray. Okay, so this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Make sure to give this a big thumbs up if you enjoy these recreating inspired looks from other makeup artists. Please let me know if you enjoy that. And yeah, I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.